How to repair one piece of deck. Right here is the board, and this is cracked. If I step on this with all my weight at the right angle, it will break through. So I have an 8-foot board. I can't fit a 16-foot board, which they use here originally. So I use an oscillating tool, and I made a cut here, and we'll just be putting in 8 feet of board. Okay, and this cute oscillating tool can be used to cut the board at 8 feet. This pry bar is absolutely essential for me to use to take out just one board. And our hammer, 2-pound hammer, is going to work great. And then I have some deck nails here that will do the job here. Or you can use nails with rings. Okay, the hole is now visible where the board was, and you want to clean everything you can along all sides of this boards and the joists there. And then you want to apply a sealer or the paint sealer. Well, there you have it. I have completed my one board installation. I've done this before, so there's a little bit of experience. These two products here, the paint sealer and the sealer. The sealer comes out thinner, milky white, but it beads a lot better. So I'm not sure what that's about, but the board's in. I'm ready to go. Time to barbecue.